All right, Happy New Year. It's been a while since we talked weather. Thought we'd look back at 2014 and some not so good statistics here in Flagstaff as far as climatologically speaking. It was the third warmest year on record here in Flagstaff, all the way back to 1898. Our total precipitation, 20.67 inches. That's not bad. It's only about 1¼ inches below the yearly average. Problem is, a good chunk of it all came in the form of rain. It was a good monsoon, but remember last year it didn't snow much last winter. It didn't snow much this fall. Total snowfall on the year, 33.5 inches. That's the 9th driest winter on record all the way back to 1898. We averaged around 101 inches of snow. And also on December 31st, we received 14.1 inches of that 33.5. So if we didn't get that New Year's Eve storm, we'd be at 19 some odd inches of snowfall and the 4th driest year as far as snowfall goes. Okay, we're starting it off on the warm side again, 55 our high temperature today out there, 42 the average for this time of year. And Flagstaff, we're getting pretty warm as far as a lot of the lower lying valleys of northern Arizona are staying cold and trapped cold air down in the Little Colorado River Valley. It's cold in Page today. It's cold in Winslow. At 2 o'clock, it was 53 in Flagstaff, it was 31 in Page, and it was 42 in Winslow. So that cold air is going to stay trapped for you in the valleys of northern Arizona, while here in Flagstaff, we're above the inversion, and our temperatures are remaining pretty warm. All right, here's a look at it on the satellite. High pressure in place throughout the southwest. It's kind of unstable high pressure. It's going to be choked off by this little area of low pressure moving up Baja. And then we have all these high clouds out in the Pacific. They're not really doing anything. The Pacific is really quiet right now. I think this week we're just in for some mild weather and some high cloud cover. This area of low pressure kind of comes close on Thursday and Friday, maybe a few sprinkles in the desert region, but no real storms to hang your hat on. This is a pretty uneventful forecast. Okay, for us tonight, thin high clouds continue. 15 degrees tomorrow. Looking for another very mild day here in Flagstaff, 55 degrees. Once again, I don't see any reason to change it from where we were today. Okay, here's a look at the temperature statewide. And notice that much warmer in Flagstaff than what I'm forecasting out here in the Little Colorado River Valley. Winslow going with 47, Tuba 50, Page 46 degrees. Still a little bit of cold air trapped in Sedona, 50 as well, 59. Payson 58 degrees. Okay, the extended forecast, not a lot of excitement there, just some cloud cover, and I think it kind of thickens up a little bit as we get later in the week and we cool things off a little bit. And for you down in Sedona, kind of the same thing with just some partly cloudy skies and some pretty mild temperatures out there. All right, you guys going back to the desk, or are we going to break with a little more NAZ?